Time to put everything away. But this is the part where I use the On Guard hand spray mist, which I didn't order but I had from previous. So this cleans my hands so I can start prepping for basically putting supplements in my capsule holder, which helps keep me accountable and know what I took and didn't take. So for today I did take the Saturday morning but not the PM. So what I do, so let's move this so you can see kind of what I'm going to do here. Boom, boom. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so let's go. Alright. And my capsule holder gets kind of like, it gets like some sediment or residue up in there, but it's all good. It's all seconds and thirds from previous supplementation, I guess. No? Alright. Well, anyways, this is what we gonna do. Alright, so that's already been, okay, so yeah, I can cycle this. So I try to break it down. Break it down. No? Okay. Well, anyways, we're gonna continue. Where is, yeah, here it is. Okay, so the Microplex. Yes. Alright, so anything that can be recycled will, oh, just hitting it. Sometimes I use it, probably should use that, but anyways, it's 2 in the morning of the Microplex VC. And some people use bowls or whatever, just whatever allows you to use it, you know, on a consistent basis. I'm just putting 2 in each of the categories here, with the exception of Saturday. And then boom, boom, boom. Okay, so when I put that in, it should look like that, which was it's kind of hard to see, but anyways, they're going in each day. Then I'm done with that. I'm going to put this in my pantry. Then I'm opening up the Alpha CRS Plus. So, recycle that. Yeah, we used the scissors this time. So some of this stuff isn't recyclable. I mean, it just kind of depends on your area what the recycling centers actually do recycle due to capability or capacity or other things. But I'm just putting 2 per morning and then 2 per evening in the capsule holder here. This is more of like the tedious part of like wellness, where you're just like, but it's so much of a routine and habit for me now that it's just part of the monthly Christmas in a box experience, as I say. And for this month, it's very fitting. But every month, it's like Christmas in July, Christmas in, you know, whatever month, because you're receiving like a package of awesome that helps support your wellness and your health, and whether it be you or your family or other, you know, significant other or spouse. So, yeah, and I'd have like a trash pile going over here too. Alright, so I'm just putting, again, 2 of the VE Omega. If you have the XE Omega, that's cool too, but 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, and 2 at supper time. Not really, but it's just more just AM and PM. When I take these, I take them with my breakfast, which is usually a green smoothie. I eat other stuff throughout the day. You know, I have like prepared meals and sauteed dishes and salads and soups and all this other stuff I do. So we're good on all that. Next, ouch, that hurt. It hit a funny bone. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're just gonna take a breather after that one. You ever hit your funny bone and it just like take you out for the, whew. Too excited maybe? I don't know. Negligent? Enzymes. This will help with digestion, but not what happened. Okay, so here we go. Just open it up here. Boom. Gotta be more careful. It's like body awareness, you know? Like, just careful. Okay. Alright, so I put, for the enzymes, I usually put 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. And then if I eat anything that's cooked, I also take the additional ones that I had mentioned. So that's what I do with the enzymes. Pretty quick, pretty easy. And then, oh yeah, so I was going to say I just recycle stuff. I like to open some other stuff so that they're already kind of prepped for when I run out too. So this is the enzymes for the next one. We're not going to hit it with our, let's hit it with a knuckle. I've done that in the past and it's not good. It's not good. Alright, so we're good on the enzymes and opening and prepping them. You'll notice a lot of it is trying to just set yourself up for success. Like I like to open and pre-open stuff so it's just easy access, right? The more obstacles you remove to a higher quality of life, the more likely you are to do it, on top of understanding the benefits and uses. That's really key, because this stuff could collect dust for somebody, and they have for people, you know, because they don't understand the benefits and uses, and they don't remove obstacles to their wellness, meaning opening up stuff. And actually for the probiotics, I put one, usually like either in the morning or afternoon. It just depends whatever you want to do, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so that's it for my supplementation regimen for that. Okay, cool. So now I have all of that prepped, ready to go. It's in my pantry, and my cue or trigger to actually take them is in the morning and early afternoon. I don't like to take them after 6 p.m. because I tend to stay up later, maybe like additional 3 or 4 hours, because I have more mental alertness and clarity and stuff. So this is really good for morning, which is what it says. PM, meaning early afternoon, maybe 3 or 4 p.m., you know, after lunch but before dinner, or yeah, something like that. That would be good. So that is that. And then let's see what else. I have the oils for this month. And what I also do is I have a wish list going of oils that I need, which I have already updated my cart for January and next month. And so that way I always have what I use. You know, I get doubles of stuff if I know I'm going to run out, or I at least like to have a backup of something, which is why I have double of that. And then I also make sure that I have my wish list going so that I know what I need for the next month. And I already updated my cart, but I'll probably update it another 1 or 2 times in my back office to make sure that I get exactly what I need. Because sometimes I have retail sales, or sometimes I use more than I need, or I used more than I thought I'd need. And then that is kind of where I would need to update everything. But yeah, it's very cool, because what it is at the end of the day with this doTERRA LRP is I'm taking personal responsibility for my health and wellness, so that I can take care of myself, so I can help take care of others, whether that be education or other things, YouTube, clients, team members, business partners, all that stuff. And then what it also allows me to do is live a, again, proactive wellness lifestyle. I'm not reacting to stuff that happens in my life. I have natural solutions literally within arm's reach that I can grab. And because I understand the benefits and uses, I can use them properly, which is key, and then I can maximize the results I get, because your beliefs drive your decisions drive your results. If you're not getting the results you want, then you have to look at what decisions you're making, and then you also, or not making, and then you have to look at your belief system and what you believe. And hopefully that belief system, you know, it's driven a lot by, you know, childhood and, you know, tradition and what you watched or read or listened to, but hopefully that belief can, you know, disbelief can be suspended, but also belief can be driven and primarily, you know, found in fact-based information, looking at both sides of the coin, and then also focusing on natural solutions that are safe, effective, and less expensive than traditional options. And you'll be setting yourself up for success in that way. And that's definitely what I've done for myself, and absolutely love the wellness lifestyle that I have. And it's great to just share that with you. So thank you so much for watching up until this point. Make sure to hit that like button if you did, gain some more perspective for today. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video. Snowman, woo. How do I get this? Oh, okay, it comes off pretty easily. Hi. Now I have the task of recycling all my other stuff from last time. All right, cool. Time to put everything away. Everything has a place and everything is in its place. That's what we trying to do.